Ever wondered what makes your computer remember things and what happens when it forgets? Today, we are diving into the world of computer memory and storage. Let's go. From RAM to ROM, SSDs to flash drives, we are breaking it all down simply and visually. First, let's talk about memory and storage devices. Think of memory as your computer's short-term memory, fast but forgetful. It's called primary memory. It stores data only while your computer is running and loses everything when the power is off. Storage, on the other hand, is your computer's long-term memory. It remembers everything even when the computer is off. Key difference between both: the CPU can access primary memory directly, but for secondary memory, it has to go through extra steps. Now let's break down RAM and ROM. RAM, which stands for Random Access Memory, stores data temporarily while you are using your computer. It's fast and helps your system multitask, but it's volatile, so everything disappears when the power is off. ROM means read-only memory. It is non-volatile. It holds essential programs like the BIOS and firmwares which help your computer boost up. Let's explore different type of RAM. SRAM, static RAM, DRAM, dynamic RAM is super fast and used in CPU caches. It doesn't need to be refreshed and keeps data as long as power is supplied. DRAM, it is slower and cheaper. It's used in your computer's main memory. DRAM cells leak charges, so they need to be refreshed every few milliseconds. Now we will discuss types of DRAM. Include SDRAM, sync with the CPU clocks for better performance. DDR SDRAM transfers data on both rising and falling clock edges, making it faster than standard SDRAM. Generations including DDR1, DDR5, each are faster than the last. GDDR SDRAM is specialized for graphics cards and gaming, designed for high bandwidth and speed. Now let's discuss about ROM. So what inside ROM? It stores firmware that helps your hardware talk to each other. Then there's the BIOS, basic input output system. Before your computer shows the desktop, the BIOS checks that everything's working. It's like your computer's built-in manager. Now let's move to secondary storage, where your files live. Two common types of secondary storage are HDD, which means hard disk drive, a classical mining disk, large in storage, budget friendly. SSD, solid state drive, faster, more durable but more expensive. And then there's NVMe SSD, which connects directly to your CPU for blazing fast speeds. Flash drives and SD cards are portable storage champs. Flash drives plug into USB ports, perfect for quick file transfers. SD cards are used in phones, cameras and drones. Despite their size, they can store thousands of photos and videos. And there you have it, a quick and clear journey through the world of computer memory and storage. If you found this helpful, give it a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.